steps are divide by the special number, mole ratio, and multiply by the special number on the other side. So what we see is that we start with atoms. So we know our special number is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Another way to realize what the special number is here, that's times 10 to the 23rd. The only special number that has times 10 to the 23rd in it is 6.02. So obviously I'm going to divide by that 6.02 10 to the 23rd to get rid of that. That's the way to remember that. So the special number here is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Of course, you know how to do the mole ratio. And the special number on the back end of it is to find the grams. So that would be the mass. So I pretty much worked it out in my head before I even got started. And so I'm going to take my given number. I'm going to divide it by special number for atoms. That is, again, always put 1 mole here. It's the standard. There's 1 mole, and 1 mole there's 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. Look, what is here? This phrase here, all this here, 10 to the 23rd atoms and so forth, is also what's in the bottom. It's a good way for me to check. That has to be the special number. Okay? Alright? Then the next step is the mole ratio. And so I want to go to chlorine. So I'll put 1 mole of chlorine over sodium, what I have here, so it's got to go on the bottom. 2 moles of sodium. Okay, so then moles of sodium is going to cancel. Then my last step is to multiply by the mass. Because that's what I want to go to. Now what do I want to go to? So you don't get confused in your steps. Sodium's no longer involved. I've canceled it out. On the chlorine. So then 1 mole of chlorine weighs 71 grams. There's CO2 in it. I know I didn't stop and just put the equal signs. This is how we do it in Chem 2. We just write our conversions and then go back through it with the calculator. All right? You can stop each time, put the equal so much if you want to. All right, and so, again, step, divide by the special number. I did that. Check. Mole ratio, I want to go to CO2 from Na. I did that. It's coefficient 1 to 2. Check. You know, back end of it, I want to multiply by my special number. And for Cl2, one of those is 71 grams. The only things that go here in the parentheses, what you get from the periodic table, are your special numbers. Okay? So that's a mixed problem.